It's not just important to know that you are breathing deeply, but also that you're using your body as the vessel it is. Hello and welcome back to Yoga with Krista. I'm Krista Shirley, a Level II Authorized Ashtanga Yoga instructor, a body mechanics expert, and owner of the Yoga Shala in Maitland, Florida. Bandhas. This Sanskrit word means lock, tighten, or close off. There are three primary bandhas: Jalandhara Bandha, or your throat lock, Uddiyana Bandha, or your navel lock, and Mula Bandha, or your pelvic lock. Every time that we begin an inhale from the throat through the nose, you want to very gently squeeze your pelvic floor to activate Mula Bandha. It seems a little vague to say squeeze your pelvic floor, so I'll be a little bit more graphic. When you inhale, you want to very gently engage or activate your anal sphincter muscles, or for us ladies, think about gently activating your vaginal walls. You're gently drawing them up and in. By doing this, you activate Mula Bandha, which is an energy lock in the body corresponding to your pelvic floor. So when we take that breath up and in, so by squeezing that pelvic floor, it's like we're starting the breath in our pelvis and then able to direct that energy and that oxygen all the way up through our stomach, chest, diaphragm, and stopping at our throat, at our glottis. Uddiyana Bandha happens naturally if you breathe correctly. So we inhale and we squeeze that Mula Bandha. When we start to exhale from the throat through the nose with our mouth closed, you're going to begin directing the breath, the carbon dioxide, back down towards your pelvic floor. So to activate Uddiyana Bandha, you just breathe properly. If you're exhaling from your throat through your nose, you'll start to feel the navel begin to press towards the spine as the carbon dioxide leaves your lungs. It almost feels like you're wringing a sponge full of water or you're squishing an accordion that has been engaged. So every inhale, we squeeze Mula Bandha, squeezing that pelvic floor, drawing the breath up, 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 up. When we can't take any more oxygen in, we start to exhale from our throat through our nose, pushing the breath down, and you'll feel Uddiyana Bandha engaging. And then Jalandhara Bandha is the throat lock. This lock, you're really just going up to and down from. So when we start the breath, when we get up to the glottis, we hold that, and then we start to release the breath back down. So imagining that your body is a vessel, by engaging all three of these locks, we're creating this massive force of energy up and down our spine, which creates powerful benefits for your body and your mind. If you're finding value from this video so far, please take just a moment and boop that like button. Leave me a comment letting me know some things you'd like me to work on next. If you love the content that I'm creating and you'd like to actually work with me on a regular basis, I teach both in-person and virtual morning Mysore classes here in Maitland at the Yoga Shala. Just head to my website, theyogashala.com, and you can check out the class schedule. You can also find my email address if you have questions and you want to contact me. And if you enjoyed today's breathwork exercise, be sure to check out the video I recently did on Uddiyana Bandha Kriya, a very powerful Kriya, which is a wonderful Kriya exercise to help increase your lung capacity, get rid of toxicity from the body, and find more peace and clarity in your mind. If you want to check out that video, all you have to do is click on it because it's coming up next.